Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Among Us on your PC. But before we dive in, make sure to check out our latest software linked below this video. Let's get started. There are two main ways to install Among Us on your computer. The first method I'll explain is through the Microsoft Store. First, go to the bottom left of your screen and type Microsoft Store into the search bar. Open the app when it appears. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top to search for Among Us. When the game shows up, click on it to open its page. You'll see the price listed, around 230 Philippine pesos, or about 7 United States dollars. But if you have a Game Pass linked to your Microsoft account, you can play Among Us for free. If you prefer, you can also use Steam to get Among Us. If you already have a Steam account, awesome. If not, creating one is easy. Just open your browser, search for Steam, and click the official link. Then, click on Install Steam to download the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once Steam is installed and your account is created, check out our channel for a tutorial on setting up your account. Open the Steam app, then use the search bar to find Among Us. One great thing about Steam is that it often runs sales, so you might find Among Us at a discounted price compared to other platforms. For example, right now the game is on sale. If you don't own Among Us yet, click Add to Cart and select whether you want to buy it for yourself or as a gift. Then, you'll be taken to the payment page where you can enter your card details or use another payment method available in your region. Once you've purchased the game, go to your library in Steam, search for Among Us, and click on it. You'll then be able to click Install to start the download. Once the game is installed, you'll see a play button. Click on it to start playing Among Us. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.